At Robinson Dental Family and Cosmetic Dentistry, we are proud to offer high-quality cosmetic dentistry services to patients in Lynwood, Meadowdale, Alderwood, Shoreline, Mount Lake Terrace, and Woodway, Washington. Led by experienced dentist, Dr. Brent Robinson, our team is dedicated to helping patients achieve their desired results. We offer a wide range of cosmetic dental services, including teeth whitening, veneers, and implants. We understand that every patient is unique, and we work closely with each one to develop a personalized treatment plan. If you are interested in learning more about our services or scheduling a consultation, please contact us today by calling 425-778-1164 or visiting 19108 33rd Avenue West, Suite B, Lynwood, Washington 98036. You may also visit our website at www.robinson-dental.com.